My name is Giancarlo, and this is Tito Oman. This is for Mama. This is for Tito Oman, and this is to Nana. This to Nana, and this to Nana, and this is for Daddy.
What is that?
Daddy, and my coin is an Iron Man, and you buy me Spider-Man. I still like that toy.
Okay. So what are your toys? Can you show them your toys?
I have many collection, guys. I have many collection. See, guys?
Who is that?
I'm a spider toy, and this is the watch toy, and you like that toy. And this is and the Iron Man. This is the Winter Spider-Man toy, and this is the cinnamon in the bread.
Can you show them?
And guys, you like this toy, or you love Iron Man teddy bear, or the Sonic teddy bear. Or this is for Mama, and this is Tito Oma, and this is to Nana, and this is to Nana, and this to Nana, and this is Daddy.
Oh, show them your mask.
My mask is like them.
Yeah. Can you wear it?
This guy, I can wear that.
Wow, it's so nice.
Guys, I don't love this toy.
Yeah.
Tell your mother, you need to first your mother and tell your mother to buy your toy.
Yeah, where you will going to buy? Where did you buy the toy? Where they can buy?
You need to buy Lazada.
Oh, in Lazada.
You need to tell your family. You need to tell your parents to buy your own famous collection toys.
Oh.
And guys,
So what they will going to do so that their parents will buy a toy?
and you need to tell, just tell, and just tell this. Order with Lazada and you have more toys.
Mm-hmm.
And this guys, I must tell this. Oh.
Are you sleepy, little Spider-Man? How about your costume? Where did you bought your costume?
And guys, tell this is your own favorite own brand new t-shirt, Spider-Man.
Where did you buy it?
Why you tell this? And my parents keep buy me more bigger Spider-Man, but I love Spider-Man, right? Guys,
How about your pillow?
my pillow is right there to make me comfy.
Mm-hmm.
And guys, I don't need more pillows to be comfy.
Can you play your collections?
I can't have many collections. I have many collections. I have this one and
Who is that?
this one Sonic teddy bear, and this is my Iron Spider toy.
Iron Spider-Man?
Iron Spider-Man toy.
Okay.
This is my watch own good toys to watch, and this is says for Daddy Mike and buy me this toy, and this is like the same one.
Can you show them your watch?
I have the watch one, and you need to make that one. You don't need to smash, guys. You don't need to smash that. You don't need to smash it, and you will cry. Tell everybody when I fix your toy, guys. And you love my video. You want.
Yeah, if they love your video, what they will going to do?
You want Ryan? Or this? You want Ryan video? You want my video?
Who is Ryan?
Ryan in the game and Ryan in the YouTube.
Oh, so you like Ryan too?
Yeah, I love Ryan and you love my video.
Uh-huh. Tell them to subscribe your channel.
Put the button and you love Ryan and you love my YouTube.
Okay, so thank you. Say thank you to them.
Thank you.
Good night. God bless.
Bye bye. Okay.